Today we will see all the tenses in positive sentences. This is all the pronouns which are called I group, and these are all the pronouns which are called he group. In I group there are the pronouns like I, we, you, they, Ram and Sita, these boys, those girls and students. In he group these are the pronouns like he, she, it, Ram, this boy, that girl and a student. In simple present tense we use verb first form with the I group and verb yes or es with the he group. In simple past tense we use verb second form with I group and with he group. And in simple future tense we use will plus verb first form with I group and with he group. In continuous tense we use am with I am and are with other pronouns and is with the he group pronouns. In past continuous tense we use I, was with I and were with the other pronouns and was again with the he group pronouns, and we use will be with the I group and he group pronouns. Okay. And in present perfect tense we use have with the I group pronouns and we use has with he group pronouns. In past perfect tense we use had with I group and he group pronouns. In future perfect tense we use will have with the I group pronouns and with the he group pronouns. We use have been plus ing with the I group pronouns and has been plus ing with he group pronouns. In present perfect continuous tense we use had been plus ing with I group and he group pronouns with past perfect continuous tense, and we use will have plus been plus ing with the I group pronouns and he group pronouns in future perfect continuous tense. Alright, now you just follow me the examples. I write a letter.
I write a letter.
He writes a letter.
He writes a letter.
I wrote a letter.
I wrote a letter.
He wrote a letter.
He wrote a letter.
I will write a letter.
I will write a letter.
He will write a letter.
He will write a letter.
I am writing a letter.
I am writing a letter.
You are writing a letter.
You are writing a letter.
He is writing a letter.
He is writing a letter.
I was writing a letter.
I was writing a letter.
You were writing a letter.
You were writing a letter.
He was writing a letter.
He was writing a letter.
I will be writing a letter.
I will be writing a letter.
You will be writing a letter.
You will be writing a letter.
He will be writing a letter.
He will be writing a letter.
I have written a letter.
I have written a letter.
He has written a letter.
He has written a letter.
I had written a letter.
I had written a letter.
He had written a letter.
He had written a letter.
I will have written a letter.
I will have written a letter.
He will have written a letter.
He will have written a letter.
I have been writing a letter.
I have been writing a letter.
He has been writing a letter.
He has been writing a letter.
I had been writing a letter.
I have been writing a letter.
He had been writing a letter.
He had been writing a letter.
I will have been writing a letter.
I will have been writing a letter.
He will have been writing a letter.
He will have been writing a letter.
I take a mobile.
I take a mobile.
He takes a mobile.
He takes a mobile.
I took a mobile.
I took a mobile.
He took a mobile.
He took a mobile.
I will take a mobile.
I will take a mobile.
He will take a mobile.
He will take a mobile.
I am taking a mobile.
I am taking a mobile.
You are taking a mobile.
You are taking a mobile.
He is taking a mobile.
He is taking a mobile.
I was taking a mobile.
I was taking a mobile.
You were taking a mobile.
You were taking a mobile.
He was taking a mobile.
He was taking a mobile.
I will be taking a mobile.
I will be taking a mobile.
You will be taking a mobile.
You will be taking a mobile.
He will be taking a mobile.
He will be taking a mobile.
I have taken a mobile.
I have taken a mobile.
He has taken a mobile.
He has taken a mobile.
I had taken a mobile.
I had taken a mobile.
He had taken a mobile.
He had taken a mobile.
I will have taken a mobile.
I will have taken a mobile.
He will have taken a mobile.
He will have taken a mobile.
I have been taking a mobile.
I have been taking a mobile.
He has been taking a mobile.
He has been taking a mobile.
I had been taking a mobile.
I had been taking a mobile.
He had been taking a mobile.
He had been taking a mobile.
I will have been taking a mobile.
I will have been taking a mobile.
He will have been taking a mobile.
He will have been taking a mobile.
I give a suggestion.
I give a suggestion.
He gives a suggestion.
He gives a suggestion.
I gave a suggestion.
I gave a suggestion.
He gave a suggestion.
He gave a suggestion.
I will give a suggestion.
I will give a suggestion.
He will give a suggestion.
He will give a suggestion.
I am giving a suggestion.
I am giving a suggestion.
You are giving a suggestion.
You are giving a suggestion.
He is giving a suggestion.
He is giving a suggestion.
I was giving a suggestion.
I was giving a suggestion.
You were giving a suggestion.
You were giving a suggestion.
He was giving a suggestion.
He was giving a suggestion.
I will be giving a suggestion.
I will be giving a suggestion.
You will be giving a suggestion.
You will be giving a suggestion.
He will be giving a suggestion.
He will be giving a suggestion.
I have given a suggestion.
I have given a suggestion.
He has given a suggestion.
He has given a suggestion.
I had given a suggestion.
I had given a suggestion.
He had given a suggestion.
He had given a suggestion.
I will have given a suggestion.
I will have given a suggestion.
You will have given a suggestion.
You will have given a suggestion.
He will have given a suggestion.
He will have given a suggestion.
I have been giving a suggestion.
I have been giving a suggestion.
He has been giving a suggestion.
He has been giving a suggestion.
I had been giving a suggestion.
I had been giving a suggestion.
He had been giving a suggestion.
He had been giving a suggestion.
I will have been giving a suggestion.
I will have been giving a suggestion.
He will have been giving a suggestion.
He will have been giving a suggestion.
Okay, now everybody is telling me the sentences. I drive a car. Start.
I drive a car. He drives a car.
I drove a car. He drove a car.
I will drive a car. He will drive a car. I am driving a car. You are driving a car. He is driving a car. I was driving a car. You were driving a car. He was driving a car. I will be driving a car. You will be driving a car. He will be driving a car. I have driven a car.
I have driven a car.
I have driven a car. He has driven a car. I had driven a car. He had driven a car. I will have driven a car. He will have driven a car. I have been driving a car. He has been driving a car. I had been driving a car. He had been driving a car. I will have been driving a car. He will have been driving a car.
Now we will use they and she. They come late. Start.
They come late.
She comes late. They came late. She came late. They will come late. She will come late. They are coming late. She is coming late. They were coming late. She was coming late. They will be coming late. She will be coming late. They have come late. He has come late. They had come late. She had come late. They will have come late. She will have come late. They have been coming late. She has been coming late. They had been coming late. She had been coming late. They will have been coming late. She will have been coming late.
Now we'll take these boys and this boy. These boys and these boys. These boys make a lesson.
These boys make a lesson. This boy makes a lesson. These boys made a lesson. This boy made a lesson. These boys will make a lesson.
These boys will make a lesson.
These boys are making.
These boys are making a lesson. Start.
These boys are making a lesson. This boy is making a lesson. These boys were making a lesson. This boy was making a lesson. These boys will be making a lesson. This boy will be making a lesson. These boys have made a lesson. This boy has made a lesson. These boys had made a lesson. These boys had made a lesson.
These boys will have made a lesson. These boys will have made a lesson. These boys have been making a lesson.
This boy has been making a lesson.
These boys had been making a lesson. These boys had been making a lesson. These boys will have been making a lesson. This boy will have been making a lesson.
Okay, that girl learns English. Those girls learn English, and that girl learns English. Start.
Those girls learn English. That girl learns English. Those girls learn English. That girl learns English. Those girls will learn English. That girl will learn English.
Those girls are learning English. That girl is learning English. Those girls were learning English. That girl was learning English. Those girls will be learning English. That girl will be learning English. Those girls have learned English. That girl has learned English. Those girls had learned English. That girl had learned English. Those girls will have learned English. That girl will have learned English. Those girls have been learning English. That girl has been learning English. Those girls had been learning English. That girl had been learning English. Those girls will have been learning English. That girl will have been learning English.
Now we speak English, and he speaks English. Speak, spoken. We speak English. He speaks English. Start.
We speak English.
He speaks English.
We spoke English. He spoke English.
We will
Speak English. He will speak English. We are speaking English. He is speaking English. We were speaking English. He was speaking English. We will be speaking English. He will be speaking English.
We have spoken English.
He has spoken English. We had spoken English. He had spoken English. We will have spoken English. He will have spoken English. We have been speaking English. He has been speaking English. We had been speaking English. He has been speaking English. We will have been speaking English. He will have been speaking English.
Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.